Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. One of my favorite things is swimming, whether it is in a pool or at the beach. However, I am not super comfortable in a swimsuit, so a good swimsuit cover-up is important. And this one by BMJL is perfect. I have been loving it. I was looking for a new one because my husband and I were going on a cruise, and I wanted something really nice to wear over my swimsuit, whether we were walking on the cruise ship or we were at the beach. And this thing was perfect. It is super comfortable, it's lightweight, it covers everything that I wanted covered, but it still looks like a swimsuit cover-up. I didn't want something that just looked like I threw a dress over a swimsuit. I usually wear extra large, and I wanted to make sure this was really comfortable and loose, so I got an XXL. And while it looks really big, there's a nice little cinch around the waist that you can tie, so it fit perfect, and it was really, really comfortable. I think looking at it, an extra large would have been fine, but because it is a swimsuit cover-up, you have lots of leeway, and you can just tie it around your waist, and it still looks really cute. It doesn't look frumpy at all. If you're looking for a really cute swimsuit cover-up, this one by BMJL is super nice. I love it. I love that it looks like a swimsuit cover-up, but it's still really modest and makes me feel really comfortable to just relax in a lounge chair. And that is my point of view.